Okay, good morning, everyone. So, good to see you again. So today our topic is Print Layout Designer. Okay, this is a very old, it's a very old system tool in SAP. So if you're starting from those, I mean, back to the version 2007, 8.8, then I think you heard or familiar with this is a Print Layout Designer. So this tool has been with us for more than 10 years already. It's old, but practical. Old thing doesn't mean it's no good. So today, my partner, Mr. Wong, JD, will show you how you can use this old tool, Print Layout Designer, to create or to modify the SAP standard forms and report. So if you realize that SAP standard forms, this is very dull, very boring, very traditional. Sometimes we can use the PLD to make it more sexy, make it sexy. So I leave this show to my partner, Mr. Wong. So here you go.
Okay. Come. Okay.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so thank you, Ms. Lai. Help me to do those introduction. Okay, so that is my time. Okay, come. I would like to tell you more. Okay, in SAP actually we have two report editor, which just now we mentioned is Print Layout Designer and Crystal Report. Basically, in before version 8.8, we using this Print Layout Designer. Then version 8.8 using Print Layout Designer and Crystal Report. After that, actually we main focus on this Crystal Report. But PLD definitely have benefit. Okay, is compared to Crystal Report, is really easy to use. Okay, and it no need to install the report editor. If you all know Crystal Report, okay, I believe most of you know Crystal Report already. Okay, it needs have Crystal Report editor to edit the layout, but the PLD is built in SAP already. Okay, all you need is super user and then admin right lah. Okay, to edit it. Then you no need to start from the blank report. It already have a system template. You can modify from there. It's not like Crystal Report. You start from the blank to create a new layout of reports. Of course, believe me, you no need to have technical knowledge. You no need to know how to join, how to what is left outer join, right outer join or something like that. Okay, what you know, basically you need to know English. Believe me, it is really easy. Finally, okay, actually it's not finally. Okay, you have a lot of benefit. Which I list down here is easy to duplicate from one document to another document. Okay, which means, for example, you create a layout for PO, then you want to copy the same design to invoice, to SO. It is definitely easy than others. Okay, so how is the step? You know, now we all talk about SOP. Okay, COVID-19 or SOP. Okay, for Print Layout Designer, you also have SOP for this. First step, it's SOP. How to modify it? Okay, first definitely you need to enter the document that you want to edit. Okay, then access the PLD open the pre-designed PLD. Then you save it under a new name, edit Print Layout Designer, then finally save it as default. Okay, let us do an assistant.
Sorry,
Okay.
Mr. Wong.
Yes.
Can I ask a question?
Okay, sure.
In what cases we need to use Crystal Report, and in what cases we need to use the Print Layout layer?
Okay, usually we will try to use PLD first, Print Layout Designer first. But in certain extent, later you will see something that you cannot do. For example, it already predefined the linking. Like I say, you don't need to have technical skill. Okay, so it already defined the linking already. But sometimes you just need other tables to link with it. Then we need to use Crystal Report. Basically, when you find something that you cannot do in PLD, then you need to use Crystal Report already.
Crystal Report, I can charge you more.
Okay, understand.
Okay. So now I would like to use purchase order, PO as example. Okay, first, like I say, you need to enter the purchase order. Okay, I go to the last record. Okay. Okay, then the next step, access the PLD. Where is the PLD? Is this one. You see the pen here? Okay. Press it. This is the PLD. Then you can see this one, old system one, means it is system predefined layout template already. Okay, you can double click or you click this manage layout. Okay, then we'll click this one. You can see this is system predefined layout. Okay, like this you might not understand what is it. Let me show you. I say as default first. The end result actually is like this. If you compare, you can see this is the final layout with the data. This one is the template. Okay, this is system template. Then, as mentioned, we need to save it as another name. You press Print Layout Designer. You can see suddenly here have a Print Layout Designer come out. Then you can save as, I say, okay. Then you can start edit, like what I mentioned in here. You can start edit. Finally, you set a default, which I do just now. Okay, so let me close it. This is the original layout. And then later, I will do some modifying, and then will become this one. So basically, today our task, my example is changing from the system default one to my sample. Okay, I adding some work, some logo, some barcode, add a page, I add the code. You can see system default here is having issue. I change it and then I put total before discount. Okay, so this one is the end result, which we can do it at 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, so we come back. Okay, today's topic is a bit boring, so hope you all still stay with me, because I don't know how to make this editor to become more interesting. Seriously, it's
magic, show the magic.
Okay, so definitely you need to know something. Okay, for example, now I want to show you all these properties. Okay, in this Print Layout Designer, we have three properties, which one is document properties, area properties, view properties. Okay, I show you in real life. Here, what is document properties? Where you can access it? You can go to this Print Layout Designer. First, this one display document properties, or you can right click. Definitely, I like to right click. You can display document properties. Yeah, okay. The first one, general, definitely is the naming, the remark. Here, okay. What you need to know is paper format. Definitely, you need to know about paper format, like which printer you want to use for default. If you use default, means that it will follow system default. Then the paper format, sometimes this one you want to use a letter or A4, A5, A3. So you can change here. Of course, you want to change to landscape, we can change here. Then in certain design, you may need to change the margin. Then you can change here. Another one is grid. Okay, grid is to show the distance between your design. Okay, I show you like this one. I use continuous line. Sometimes people feel like this, you are easy to design, or you use pocket line like this, or you just use stop. And then sometimes you feel the distance is too wide. Then I change to 5. You can see I use this continuous line. You can see you are easy to see it and change it. Okay, I like to use 10. Okay, I like to use 10. Okay, then format. This one Print Layout Designer. Later you can. I think Mr. Lai show you all before. It can send by email. Okay, you can send by email. Then you can define the email layout, the font size. You can define here. Okay, of course, you also can have a background picture. Okay, here this one is to have background picture. But okay, believe me, I am not encouraged to go on this. As okay, if you print the background picture, actually the printer is using a lot of ink. If you're using dot matrix, then you will know even the blank picture is still will have those signs. It's still doing the printing. Okay, which we are not encouraged. We always encourage our customer to use pre-printed font, so that just prints those data that we need. Set the ink, we set the word also. Okay. Then extension. Extension actually is using the by add-on. Okay, last time we do not have a crystal report, so that we need to have a lot of things to do this. But now, basically, this function we already disabled, because when we find we cannot do in PLD, we directly use crystal report already. We don't need to think until I don't have hair to come out the solution. Okay, so this is document properties. Then here we talk about the area properties. This one we call area. You can see my mouse. Sorry, you all can see my mouse. This is page header. This is the start of the report. You can see what I highlighted here is the area properties. Okay, it basically is control the height. You see that you want to visible it or not. Like I don't want to have this style of report until it will not. It will be invisible. This is we call area properties. Finally, I told this view properties, which you can see here. It talk about those where is the position, what is the content, what is the format, border. or color. This one, later we will go one by one, and we can have more into it. Okay. Okay. Then I want to talk about this document area. Okay, you can see we have a lot of area. Page header. Okay, if you all know Crystal Report, actually is similar with Crystal Report. Okay, but for the newcomers, I will talk about this. The page header definitely is, it will print this area. This area will print at every page of the layout. For example, if you have a lot of items and then you print about 5 pages, this area will print at every page. Start of the report, it will just print at the first page. First page. For example, if you have 5 pages, then actually it will just display at first page only. Then repetitive area header and repetitive area footer. These 3 is combined. Okay, this one basically is, first one, the header is here, putting all those information of the details here, details. Then the footer, usually we put some like total, raw total here. This one, it will keep on repeat one, which it will always show the data inside the document. Okay, which I mean is here. Those items, it will keep on repeat. That's why, for example, here have 5 rows, it will repeat 5 times. Okay, then finally here, end of the report means that it will print at end of the report. Means that if you have 5 pages, it will print at the last page of it only. Okay, page footer means it will print at the every page. So from here, you already know those fields you need to put at which area. This is important because sometimes you want to show at the first page only, then you need to put at start of the report. If you want to show it in every page, put at page header. Okay. Then we talk about these field properties. Okay, if you see my slide, okay, here actually have a lot of fields. For text field, for field type text, we can have free text. Free text means label, header, this is free text. Then database means come from database. Okay, formula. Okay, it's just like Excel. You can do some formula. If you're familiar with Excel formula, then actually it's quite similar. Finally, this system variable means that something that you do not exist in database, something that you will not see in database one. So that we need to use this system variable. Okay, later I will go into it. I will show you one example by example. Then picture is mean I believe you are like we put logo. Okay, barcode. I show you my end result. We have this barcode. Then external data, like I say, is by those add-on which we are not using anymore. Okay. So come, I want to show you by practical already. You can see. Okay, I can press this one. Okay, sorry, I know you said it before. SMPS. You can see this is the original system layout. Now I want to add something For example, you can see this one is customer name. Sorry, it's vendor. Now it's PO. Okay, I'm sorry. It's vendor name. Okay, but I might not know. So then I want to add a text, put vendor here. How I do it? Okay, I minimize this one. Okay. I can post this one. Okay, I code something that we not use anymore. Okay, this manager we're not using anymore. Okay. So, how to add a label, add a text? You can see my mouse here have a free text. Press it. I draw it. It's here already. Then you can see the properties here. You can see the source type here is free text. You can catalog vendor. You can see the word vendor is come out already. Okay, I change it back to my mouse cursor. Okay, here. Then actually you can see you can use your mouse to move here and move there already. You can move here or move there. But to be easy, I can press this one. I want to be same line with it. I go to general. You can see here is this one position of it. So you can say left is 10, top is 40. Okay, I press this one. Oh, I put regular is 40. Then if I put 0, you can see it will move to here. Then this one, the height is 20. Change it 20. Sorry, this one. You can see at least it looks same line with it already because our top O is 40. Oh, definitely you can highlight all these things, these two. You can use the function here. Align to top. It is fine also. Then you can use your mouse or you can use your arrow key. Sorry, you all cannot see my hand. Okay. You can use the arrow key to move it here or there. Then we can compare. This one you can see it is bold. I go to format here. It is 12 font size. You can see this one. I believe you all, if you know how to use Microsoft Word or Excel, you can see press here. I believe you all quite similar with this window box. We are here already. Okay. Then you can see this one is on the top. This one is at the middle. So what is the difference? You can see here it is center. We move it to top. This is the alignment that you set. Okay. So let me set this. Then I move it to the side. I open my PO. I press this one, preview. You can see the vendor is come out already. Vendor is come out already. Okay, so at least we finish one thing, which is the free text. It is very simple. Just press this one and then key in. Sorry, I'm here. Okay, key in here. Okay, as if you still remember, I will add one vendor code at here. So now I give another one is vendor code. Okay, same. I go to format here. I change the format. Oh, this one should be this one should be top. Okay, then let's see. This one is height is 20, change 20. Now, I want to take out this vendor code. Vendor code is not a label already. Definitely, it will be come from database. So we need to use this one, this field, database. Same, draw it, just draw it. Okay, you can see the content here, it will change to database. Okay, if you want to change here, it's fine also. Okay, just go to database. Then here is the table that is predefined here already. Like I say, you can see most of the table, most of the data is linked with this document PO. If you cannot see, if you want to link something that you cannot see, actually you need to use Crystal Report already. Here, they already do the linking with you already, so you no need to worry about those linking. That's why I mentioned you no need to have technical skill. Now I just I know English definitely. I look for purchase order. You can see the purchase order here. Then the column here, we just look for the code. I know it is customer or vendor code, so that I look for it. This is customer or vendor code. So that I mean, if you want to take other things, you can just scroll in and then find it. Like I say, if you cannot find it, definitely you need to use Crystal Report already. So okay, customer code here. Now this is customer code. So Sam, just move it on. Move it here. Make sure like you this one, to make sure it the top is same. This one the alignment is both is the right, is correct. Then we change the format. I think this one is you can see okay, have the example here. It is at the top right. So that for this one, we're also using this one to right top. Set it. Now I go to my purchase order. You can see my vendor code is here already. My vendor code is here. So it is quite simple compared to Crystal Report. You close this one. No need to worry too much. What you know, just find only. Okay. As I say, it will not have 100% data here, but believe me, I think 80% is here already. So that if you really just doing something that is very simple, you can always use this Print Layout Designer. Okay. Then I want to talk about this formula. Go to draw a column. Now here you can see the source is formula. Formula, I believe you all know how to use Excel. Okay, you go to this formula editor, you can see the operation. It can it predefine those formula here already. It's just like your Excel. Okay, add, minus, delete. Okay, minus, divide. Okay, it's here. It also have some built-in function. For example, those line number, we need to know this, the page, the current page. You can choose this one. You press insert, I update. So here actually will show the current page. So page one show page one, page two. Okay, I no need to repeat that. So same, I put it here. I add another column here. This one is page. Okay. So it will automatically come out one. I save it. I show to you. Okay. You need to have this layout. You can see now it will come out. This is page one. So I know you need to assign to right. Okay, let me make it more happening. Okay. Move it. I go to this format. Okay. This is right top actually. This one is top. Set. So you can see now we have the formula. Okay, please you can have a look on this editor so that I will not go deep into it. Like I say, if I really want to go deep into it, actually this topic can talk about 1 day, believe me, 1 day. So I just show a simple current page. The next one is the system variable. Okay, I mean at least I am experienced enough, okay, to know SAP do not store the total before discount in database. So how we get this out? Usually we either the payment minus tax minus discount come out this one. Or we can have a very simple method for this. We call system variable. Okay, you all know what is system information already, which few topic last time we mentioned this system information. Okay, it will show out those information at here. See my mouse is here. So I put my mouse at here. You can see here say the font, item, pen. The last one is the variable. Here the variable is 85, means the system variable number is 85. So we can just take it out by system variable. Same, I create. I don't need to create. I delete. You know, we are not using this one fetch charges. Okay, so that I can directly change the source to system variable. Then here I put 85. Sorry, it's not this one. This one is the text. So I text total before discount. Okay. Then here I change you can see the default one is a system variable already. Change it to 85. The name is total before discount. Now save it. We always need to click 2 times. Now you can see the total before discount is come out already. In database, you cannot find this field one. You can export letter, okay? Then we can take it by system variable.
Is this system variable the same for all forms?
At least as my understanding, yes. Yes. I think 95% is yes. Sorry, 99. 99. 99.
Okay.
I definitely I worry I say wrong. As my experience, past experience, all same. Okay, so come back here. You can see, or we can compare why I suddenly have something here. I don't know why system default have one brand. I can just right click delete. So okay, don't delete layout. Okay, it's delete. Okay, delete. Okay, then think why? Okay. Save it. I open it again. It looks nicer. Okay. This is we call the basic that we were using. One is the text, definitely is the text, database, formula, system variable. Then I want to show, I mean, sometimes you want to put some logo. Okay, you are using this one, the picture, press it. I just draw here, just draw here. Then general here, and choose the file name. I choose my logo. It's here already. Okay, we can fit it to my fit the field to picture size. Press it so that it look nicer. Okay, I put here. I think I forgot to take out the address. Okay, come, I save it. Is it yeah, I forgot to take the address. See, let me see. This is my sample just now. I want to show you all something like this. Okay, now I left address and then the barcode. Okay, so let me show you all the address. Okay, definitely. Okay, address is come from database. I go to here, go to database again. I draw a line first. I draw a box. Here, table. You need to find it. Like just now, I mentioned it got a lot, and then we know, okay, at least my past experience is from administration because the company address is in administration. Then I take out the address. This one is the address. Set it. Then I want to change the area here already. I go to general. I click this one area. Okay, definitely it cannot fit, so there I need to put at least 220. It come out a little bit bigger. Then I just select all, and then I use my, you can use mouse to move, but I like to use my keyboard arrow key, move it. Move to like this. Okay, then I put the address here. Then it should be center. Top. It is the address. Then actually I no need to have start a report. I can invisible it. Okay. Here now we have the address already. Save. This is better that you can always save and then you always come back here and preview. You can know what is the end result. Okay, now I left this barcode. Okay, my page is okay. I don't click this page just now. Sorry. Of course, you can undo. Press Ctrl Z. Okay. Then I don't want to have this page. Okay, I can change it here. Content. Sorry. Let me add another field, database. I want to show this document number in barcode. You can see here actually the document number is 4468. Later you can show it in barcode. So here, go to view, go to the purchase order again. document number. Okay. Here. Then after that, I go to this general. I change the field type to barcode. You can see it direct change to barcode. And we support, okay, actually it's SAP support EN13 and code 39, two format only. So if you want others format, definitely, as I mentioned, Crystal report already. Okay. Save. Now, this is the end result. Okay, this is the end result that I mentioned. Okay, you have the address, your logo, barcode. You also I show you how the text, the database, formula. This is a simple end result. Simple end result. Okay, then we come to our final part. How to duplicate it become others document.
Excuse me, the barcode can be used, can be scanned by the barcode scanner.
Yeah. If they support
Or by our iPhone or phone scanner.
Okay, yes. If it is EN13 or code 39, it can read EN13 and code 39 format. You know, barcode have a lot of format. If they can read these two format, then yes. Okay.
How about a QR code? Can we generate QR code?
Like I say, if you need to have others advanced technique, please go to Crystal Report. Please go to Crystal Report. Okay. Okay, this one can support 2Ds only, which like I say, actually is not only, I mean, it's just EN13 and code 39. Code 39.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So next one. You can see now we have this one for purchase order already. I want to duplicate this one to my sales order. Let's say it's sales order, or others, or both is fine. We can just do in simple fifth step. Same, go to this layout designer. I can see this SMBS PO. You need to right click. Like I always want to tell you, right click always have some surprise one. Go to this duplicate. Okay, find the document. This one is in the purchase order. So then we'll find the purchase order. Purchase order here. You can see the SMBS PO is here. I press it, this one. Then the destination of this document, like just now, you can copy to invoice or others. Okay, let's say we try purchase order. Sorry, sales order. Sales order. Sales order. It actually will help you to convert. You can see here is to convert. I change the name. That's all. I add. Cancel. Cancel. Now I close this one. I go to my purchase order. Okay. You can see it had a SMPS SO here already. I set it as default. Now we print preview. You can see this one actually is what we do just now, but the data all changed to sales order data already. You can see
this is our tricks and magic, or this is
definitely
you review to our customer already. Very bad.
Okay. Of course, they still need to change a lot of things. For example, you can see the word is vendor, you need to change it to customer. And then those like purchase order, although those database is changed, but the word you need to change again. well, but the SO, you need to change to sales order, vendor code, okay, and then you can see some of it will change. It's not what you want. So you still need to go and edit. But definitely, it saved a lot of your time already. It saved a lot of your time. You just need to change. For example, this one you change to sales order. It saved a lot of your time. So basically, okay, it's 11:30 already. So basically, this is all what I want to share today. All about this this Print Layout Designer. You can do some small things here so that you don't need to go into Crystal Report. Of course, if you cannot something, definitely it cannot do something one. So we go to Crystal Report. Okay, Lai, you have anything you want to add?
No, you show our tricks already. But it's okay.
That means you template to the sales order. The sales order will be the data will be extract from the sales order data. Is it?
Yes. You can see the data is same with sales order already.
Okay.
Any questions?
Can it? I would like to know whether there's a A4 paper can it be minimized by half the page.
Okay, for
A4
this,
in the two, yeah.
yes, it can, but you need to set okay, it relates to printer properties already, which actually that is a bit technical. If you just want to know it can or not, I will tell you it can, but it involves many technical things.
Okay, so I would like to add to this one. So print the half page. This is half page. It's very depending on the printer type. So I think only dot matrix can do that. Dot matrix, the print half page one. Is it your question?
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not in our. I know not is doing in the layout that we have to. That means set out in the format of the property that's just now you mentioned. Okay.
Any question? Any question from the floor?
Any?
Sometimes it's the printer that's the header that's a different. So will be the first page and second page will be that means continuous will be affected or not affected.
Sorry, I not quite understand.
That means sometimes we setting A4, then the pre-printed form is different. So the second page within this A4 and the pre-printed form is different. There's different lengths. So the next page will be sometimes will be not really in the next page. They will in the that means half the first page and the second page. That illustration how to me that means we have to put in two format already. So this sequence is only that means adjust the A4 and the pre-printed form.
It actually is still relate to the printer. Okay, I believe you at this you mean is the dot matrix. Okay, we need to set the dot matrix properties, the paper properties to be correct, so that it will not print to another page. So that make it align to correct size. It actually not relate to this Print Layout Designer. it relates to the printer setting.
Sorry, I would like to share my thought. So if you're printing to different printer type, one is a laser printer and another one is a dot matrix. So I reckon you have to develop two formats. One is A4 and one is letter. So the dot matrix actually is letter size. The paper size is letter. So you need to keep two separate formats, so that they can print. I mean the sequence. I mean the alignment. The page 1, page 2, they are all in order.
So the alignment types we have to, that means adjust by the alignments, or just we choose the default printer for this one is A4 and printed format only, or we have to adjust the whole page for the adjustment. Is it needed?
Sorry, Mr. Wong, so let me answer this.
Yeah. Okay.
So you have to set the paper size or paper type to letter in the property, document property, set it to letter. I mean for dot matrix. And then the laser jet or dash jet, you need to set it to A4. Because of the paper size, the height is different.
This can I can adjust the A4 and the this printed, but that is just now that you mentioned that's a different printer will different. The header will be, some will be higher and some will be lower. That one how to adjust? We have to adjust what that the roller that we have to adjust. That means the header will be, that means higher or lower, or in the our paper, our format of the layout.
Okay. Printing to dot matrix sometimes is nightmare to us as a consultant. Why? Because sometimes we need to go on site to adjust, because we cannot detect we cannot see the printout. But however, when we design the print layout PLD or crystal report, the very first question we are asking is what printer model? Being is this a laser jet or the dash jet or the dot matrix? So understand, I mean, we know understand the dot matrix. They say it's absent, another one is brother. So somehow we need to adjust. I mean, need to adjust the format to suit all printer. We try our level best. Sometimes we cannot comply. We just cannot comply because of different printer model. For that case, we need to duplicate another format for the printer. So when user print the document, so user to select the correct printer. That is the very extreme scenario. But for the typical dot matrix, when we set is a letter, set to letter, then I think it's all right. Unless you have you're having a printer model, then that is a different story already. So we have to go on site and do the setting for the printer. Yes. We have we come across this scenario quite many times. Yeah. But to answer that is you need to define the paper size. Yeah. Letter is for the dot matrix, and the other you can set it to A4. A4.
Excuse me, just one more question. That's just now, Mr. Wong will be adding that means the address. So we move the cursor down. Will be when we are doing that's move, will it affect the paper length, or just they're not affected? Because sometimes we move, then the paper length will move down or anything. Is it there's no harm?
it actually will affect others. Okay, you can see. Here we already set the properties, paper format. The height and width is here already. It's definitely is set to A4. Even I change, it will automatically fit into it. Of course, sometimes it cannot fit. It will come out error. So that when you that's why we say we design that time, we keep on, you can see I keep on preview to see whether it have error or not. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
So
I'm
okay,
still here,
I
right?
see. So people see this is the paper format there. So from there, user can choose the correct. Those is paper format that you want, no? Or A4 letter, A3 is available. Or this is a letter. You see this is a letter there. Letter, statement, tabloid. So this is available typical paper format. So if let's say you want to print the small sticker, like the label size, a very small one, here you can set the paper format. Oh.
Hi,
Usually the pre-printed form will be considered the letter form, is it?
Letter is pre-printed format. Letter 8.5 by 11 inch. So this is one user. Who is that? Sorry.
Can I ask you? Is this apply for version SAP version 9.0?
Mr. Wong.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Because that's Mr. Lai. Okay. Yes, definitely. It apply to you can see my version actually is version 10. It still can apply. It's up for all, at least as I know, it's all version. Version 8, version 9, version 10, version 207, 205. It's support.
Okay. And then share the recording from the first section until today's one.
Okay.
Okay. Let me to do the screening first. Screening. Yeah. If no problem, then we share it to your email. So we give you a link, so you can download and watch.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Any further question? No? Okay, no, then we just call it a day for today session. So let me just do some marketing from here. So next week, actually we haven't set the topic yet, but I would like
it's holiday. Next week is holiday.
Sorry?
Next week is holiday. Next week is holiday.
It's holiday. Too bad. so many holiday one. Okay. I will send out the outstanding. I mean, this is the list of the topic sent out to you all. So you can you just can nominate. You choose the topic you want. So depending on the popular of this is the topic, then we will schedule it accordingly. So at this moment we don't have the date for the topic just yet. So so you come back to us. So you tell us what you want to see, what you want to learn, then we will do this is arrangement. So yeah. So please tell us what your thought, what you want to learn. Maybe we will adjust the time from 30 to 45 minutes to 1 hour to make it longer, to have some hands-on session as well. We'll try to accommodate. So that's all today. So Mr. Wong, any message from you?
No,
So my colleague, Miss Yao, do you have any message? No? Okay. So the next topic could be yours. So you host the next talk. So this is for today. Okay, thanks for joining our show. And so this is our another MCO again. So please stay safe or stay healthy. Take care. Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.